So now guys, I am ready to cook my Efo Riro, and I'm here to show you my ingredients. So I have, this is cow nose, Ponmo, or cow skin, whatever it's called. So I don't know if it is the nose, I think it's the skin, yeah. So this is Ponmo. Then I have another type of Ponmo here that I'm going to use too. This is fresh turkey. I'm going to dice that. I mean smoked turkey. I'm going to dice that into cubes. So then I have my Shaki here. I have my stockfish here. I actually left out my mackerel. Sandra, can you get me the mackerel, please? It's in the oven. And I have these 2 bell peppers. I have 3 Scotch bonnets. I have this sweet, I think it's called sweet pepper. I don't know, shombo. I have it there. I don't know if it is shombo. I just have that there. And 2 onions. And I have 4 baby leaf spinach. So I don't know if I'm going to boil this. I mean to cut it. But I have it there. The last time I cooked it, I didn't cut it actually. And it came out nice because it's baby spinach. So I'm not sure if I'm going to cut that, but I will see as it goes. So I have my mackerel. Remember I was grilling that yesterday. So this is my smoked mackerel, and she doesn't like, there's somebody here that hates fish, so she's squeezing up her nose. So so I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of jumbo stock, a pinch of salt. Actually, when I use this, I hardly use salt, but we will see how it goes when I taste it. If it needs to be seasoned with salt, then I'll add a little bit of salt. So these are my ingredients, guys, and let's get cooking. I'll carry you along as I'm doing it, as I'm cooking. Yeah, so let's go. Cooking time with Bola. So I've given the cow skin a good wash. So I'm going to dice it or slice it into small bits because I don't like chunky meat in my vegetable, in my Efo Riro. I like it like in bite sizes. I'm about to blend the pepper now. I'll add a little bit of water. Not too smooth. I want it like roughly blended. So that's how to do a Efo Riro's pepper. That should be fine. So I don't boil my pepper before pouring into the hot oil. I do it straight from the blender into the hot oil, and it comes out great. So this is my palm oil. Yeah, authentic palm oil. Splash on me. Oopsies. I didn't get it. They sealed it as if we're not going to use it again. Why? Anyways, I'm going to do for this. Oh, you can.
You can have to put them in.
Yeah, I can blend them. Okay. Hot tissue for me.
I stand in the chair.
You just hot tissue for me. My daughter is learning how to cook it. And she's hiding from the camera. I don't know what her problem is.
Look at what I'm wearing.
And she wants to be paid. Okay. She says she's not nicely dressed enough. So, you know why I'm shaking it like this? Because I don't want to have all the oily part of it. There's this sediment down there that I want to get out. So, now you pour vegetable oil to your desired quantity. So, it depends on how some people like their Efo Riro to have a lot of oil flowing on it. So, I think I've done such now. I've done something like that now. I usually don't like too much oil, but I think I've made a mistake there. Gosh dang, so I have a lot of oil in there. So while I'm waiting for that, I will start washing my efforts. We don't need to bleach the oil, so it's just for it to be hot a little bit, and we'll pour the pepper. Blend it. Mommy, here. And I have to more coming. I would advise you to go put on something now, so that you can be in the kitchen with me and vlog with me.
They already saw me.
They are not tired of seeing you. They still want to be seeing your beautiful face, you know. Viewers, isn't it? You want to see her beautiful face. Yeah, they said yes, Sandra, we want to see your face.
You like to break it?
Oh. Wow. So, time to wash my veg spinach. Or my leaves. I call it leaves sometimes, but I know what I'm talking about. So, I'm going to pour the pepper inside the oil now. Time to pour it. What? What are you saying, Sandra?
He locked me out of the living room. Whoa. What are you doing now?
Yes.
You just put the thing inside.
Yeah, you put the thing. Some people do boil their own, but I don't boil my pepper. So I just allow it to cook together. Are you listening?
Yeah.
Good. So because this Ponmo, like Joseph said, this Ponmo is hard somehow. I want it to be a little bit soft, to be softer than this. So I'm going to put it in right away. But the rest of them I'll wait for. So I want them to add. I want it to cook together with the sauce, so that I can soak in some good seasoning. Because I seasoned all these things yesterday, but I didn't season this. So I'm going to season it with. Sandra, yeah, Alex, what's the story?
What story?
I can see your hand is going towards my smoked turkey. Somebody is still smoked turkey here. Aha, Sandra wants one too. I can see them. Alex, what are you doing? Let me see.
It's done.
See me your hand.
See me,
Give me your hand. Let me see. Let me see your hand.
What you want?
I can see it. Stop. Hey. You came visiting the kitchen and you stole everything away.
You asked me. You said you wanted to ask me something.
Did I call you?
I can show you.
Actually, I did not, Alex.
Hi.
You invited yourself.
It's not fair.
Take what you want. Somebody is stealing my talk again. Take it, but you don't want to be shown. Here. So
I took the small one.
that's the equivalent of 2 teaspoons. So it's equivalent to 2 teaspoons of stock.
Got it? Yep.
I'm going to add my stockfish to soften it more. And I don't think that would be useful. Can you place my put those things away? Put those things away.
I should wash it.
No, that person says I don't wash it. I know it's raw.
The fish is raw.
No, it's cooked. So I'm going to wash my fish now and put it in. Then we'll wait for the rest. So, washing my apple now. We have to give it a thorough wash so that all the sand in it can get into the bottom of the bowl. But it's not good when you are eating and you are like tasting sand in your food. You won't even enjoy it. So, giving it a good wash. Jesus. Madam, I'm washing the fish, guys. And somebody is soaking me prayer in here.
Was the camera on?
It's on now, but it's looking at the sink. It can't see you.
Maybe the day of your birthday.
Anyways. So guys, I'm adding my smoked turkey. Yeah. I'm going to add this last because it's soft to the texture I want it to be. The Ponmo and the Shaki will go in last. It's soft enough. That is it. So now guys, this is my sauce. Let me show you. And I pray my phone is not going to jump inside whatever I'm cooking. Oh, that is it. It's cooking. So I'm going to close it, cover it. I'm going to cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes because I want it dry. I don't want water. I don't want it to be too watery. So I'm going to leave it on for 20 minutes to dry the water. Then I'll put my spinach. So that's the cooking. It's not dry enough for me, so I will still keep drying it till I am satisfied. So because I didn't use Riro, I'm going to add this blended crayfish to give it beautiful flavor. Look at that. That's crayfish. Blended one. Just 2 tablespoons. So I'm going to add the shaki and the second cow skin. It's ready to be put in there. Oh, I have some here. Okay, wash this one. So guys, I just want to steam it in hot water like we used to do in Nigeria. So I'm not going to let it stay for long so that it doesn't go too soft, because it's like water leaf. It's baby spinach, so it's soft already. So I'll quickly bring it out. You don't have to follow this step, but I just want to do it because I've cooked it like once without steaming it like this, and it had a lot of water in my Efo. It wasn't even called Efo Riro anymore. It was terrible. It was just too watery for me. So that is why I'm trying to steam it and press out the water in it so that it will be Efo Riro proper. That is it. This is it, guys. I think it's ready now for me to add the spinach. Okay, it's thick enough for me now. So I've parboiled it. Then and here. This is the spinach. So it's ready to go into the sauce now. Look at that. So here we go, guys. This is our finished product.
He's still looking at me while he's looking at you.
Look at the Efo Riro. The one that makes sense. So guys, please, if you like this channel, if you like what we're doing here, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. So we're going to make pounded yam now to eat our Efo Riro. That is it. Oh my god, guys, look at that. Our Efo Riro that makes sense. Look at it. So make your eba, your pounded yam, your oatmeal, whatever you want to eat with it. Just make it in your house and come and take your sauce here. Come and take Efo Riro to eat it here. I'm going to share with you guys. Go and make your eba tebale eroyon kewa gbobe gbogbo e ti wa nbi o. It's so lovely, guys. It's beautiful. So I will leave the ingredients in the description box, and whatever question you have for me, please ask. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.